Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm here because I wanted to make another video for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Poisson distribution in Excel. And if you looked at my last video, I showed you how to make a binomial distribution. And what I'm doing is I'm going over all of the distributions that are in the functions in Excel, because there's lots more distributions that you can make, but they're not necessarily functions in Excel. So in this little spreadsheet I've got, as you can see, I'm not going to be going over all of the distributions because I'm just going over the ones where they have a function in Excel. And then I have a big surprise for you later on about how I'm going to be making some distributions using Python. But that's going to be after I finish all of the distributions that are available in Excel already. So we're going to be making a Poisson distribution, and as you can see right here, the Poisson distribution is a little bit close to a normal distribution. And so basically what you do, it's not close to a normal distribution. Let's see what it is. Well, yeah, it does look similar to a normal distribution. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the PDF, which is a probability distribution function, and the CDF, which is the cumulative distribution function. And I normally use the PDF, but I decided that for this video, I'd also use CDF. So the first thing that we do is we input values. So we're going to have values between 1 and 10. We're going to have values between 1 and 10. We're going to have to find the mean of those values, and that is, in statistics they call it mean, but in Excel they call it average. So it's going to be the average of C3 to C13. And then we calculate our PDF, which is Poisson.dist, and it's going to be based on A3, $B, $15 is your mean, and it's going to be false because we're going to be looking for the PDF, and the false tells you it's the PDF. And then we copy and paste that formula, and you notice that the B15 is an absolute reference, and so the B15 doesn't change in the column. And the false lets you know that it is a PDF. And then we're going to do the CDF, and the CDF, that's the cumulative distribution function. And the CDF is the same as PDF, except it's true. So if you want the CDF, you say true, and then if you want the PDF, you say false. And so this is what the PDF function looks like, and this is what the CDF function looks like, because you can see that the CDF is accumulation of all of the probabilities, whereas the PDF is a probability for that one point. Now what we can do, just to be a little bit different, we can say, let's just to be a little bit different, and then we'll copy that out. So it's 20. So you can see that when we do that, what that actually does is that changes the shape of your PDF distribution and your cumulative distribution as well. And it also changes the mean. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it back to what we had originally. I also want to show you how you can make a diagram of that I've already made the diagrams to show you, but I'll show you how we can make a diagram of that if you want to make your own diagram. So you come over here, you highlight the two columns, the cells that you want to make a diagram of. You go into Insert, you go into Recommended Charts, and this gives you a recommended chart, which is what I used. But you can select other charts. You can go over here to All Charts, and you can select other charts here, like you've got a line chart, a pie chart, a bar chart, an area chart. So we'll try an area chart just to show you how to do it. So this is your area chart here. And then what you would do is you would change your title to so now we've got an area chart of Poisson distribution PDF, which is where it's just colors out everything beneath the points. And then so let's say hypothetically you want to know what the CDF looks like. So we highlight the cells for the CDF. We go into Insert, Recommended Charts, All Charts, Area Chart, and here's your area chart here. And then we press OK. And then we say so now you can see what the Poisson distribution CDF looks like. And then I'll just smooth that. So you can see here, just for this video, I've got three types of charts. I've got a column chart, I've got an XY scatter chart, and I've got an area chart. But the XY scatter chart is probably the best one to use, but you can use any one you want, which is why I've given you a selection of charts that you can create. So that's it for this video, because I've showed you how to create a PDF, a Poisson distribution and probability distribution function, and cumulative distribution function. Okay, and you can see that for the PDF, the parameter and the function is going to be false, and the CDF, the parameter and the function is going to be true. And then to get the mean, the average of the C3 to C13 is going to just be average. But in statistics they call it mean, but in Excel they call it average. So I think that's it for this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I look forward to communicating with you in the next video, where we will be talking about some more statistical distributions in Excel.